Okay, I'm unboxing the My Ireland box that I just received from my friend who is videoing me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And get the tape. It seems like these are coming, like they're supposed to come every month, but I swear I just had one a couple weeks ago. But, oh, there's more tape here. And it's always comes as homeware with a little, I guess, customs document. And it always comes with the green tissue paper and a little description of what's in there. So let me look at the description. Usually I'm going really fast on this, but the great thing about this is it shows all of the things that are in here and where they came from. So I have something called Chef Interrupted from Dingle, and Aran Accessories, I think that's the company, from the Aran Islands. Bearded Candle Makers from Belfast. Avocado, it's spelled with a K, and Co. From County Clare, one of my favorite locations, County Clare. So let's see what we got. Oh, it looks like the Chef Interrupted is a book. Cool, which is perfect because that goes with, oh, I have a Irish cookbook that I got recently that so this is Discovering Life's Second Course in Ireland with Multiple Sclerosis by Travis Gleason. So he was a chef on a rise. Oh my gosh, he put life in Seattle on hold and moved to West Kerry. Oh my God, because I live in Seattle. So how great. I can't wait to read this book. That's going to be great. Here's a little knitted item, which I'm not sure what that is. What do you think it is? Look, it's beautiful, but I mean, I don't know what you do with it.
Is it a knitted bookmark?
Oh. Let me see if it says in here what it is. A knitter from the Aran Islands who combines traditional elements. She was delighted to work with us knowing that her Aran knit would be sent worldwide. We would love to see a photograph of your bookmark, so please email us. Okay, well good. I can put my bookmark. I'm seeing a theme here. Yeah. I can put the bookmark in the book. How's that?
Perfect.
Oh, it's kind of nice because it's very soft. Okay, here's the bearded candle makers with a beard on it. So that's cool. Hand poured candle. It's Irish Gorse Wind. So I can't get it out of here. Let's see. It smells kind of vanilla-y. It's not what I expected gorse to smell like. And here is a little plaque. Hope without a plan is just a dream.
Oh.
That's a good reminder. Oh, and here's a little here's a bookmark that goes with that too. So that's fabulous. I'm super excited about my, oh, and here's some instructions on burning your candle. So in case I didn't know how to burn a candle, I've been burning candles for years. Anyway, that's my unboxing. Thank you.